Welcome everyone, this is Sophie from Low Waste Housekeeping. A little bit about myself. For a few years now we have adapted the zero waste practice into our lifestyle. We are nowhere completely zero, but we are on our way. I like to use the term low waste because zero waste does not apply to us at the moment. Let's get started. On this video we will talk about how to use mint extract 3 different ways. A couple of months ago, I DIY mint extract using mint from my garden and infusing it in vodka for 2 months. It's on my Instagram page. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, link below. For now, let's get started on 3 different ways on how to use mint extract. Here we go! Thank you guys for watching and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome weekend. See you next week.